Alright guys, well, welcome to Dice Media. Today I'm going to teach you how to mine BetaX for free. So today I'm going to teach you how to mine BetaX for free. As you can see, welcome Christian Somina, that's my name, and I'm going to teach you how you can get the process on how to register and start mining this project before it ends. Alright, so before we go to the next chapter, please kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, share and comment for other people to also benefit from this great project. So before we go to the project itself, I would like to teach you something on their Twitter handle. So you can see that BetaX is being verified. It was 3 days ago they were verified. Alright, so this project is also for both iOS and Android users. So I'll be leaving the link in the description box so that things will be easier when you want to register from the project. So let's go on to the process. Alright, so when you tap on the link in the description box, those using the iPhone, tap on the iOS link, and those using the Android, kindly use the Android link you'll be seeing install here. So after finish installing, you go to open. The app will open like this. When it opens, go to sign with Google. So you'll be seeing that your Google details will be coming. So I'm going to choose the Dice Crypto. After you've chosen your Google account, they will ask you to enter a referral code. So the referral code that you have to enter is 97ADD. So type in this referral code 97ADD, the referral code you see on the screen. Then you submit. After you finish submitting this, they will ask you to start mining. Alright, so the app contains a short ADs. So kindly wait for the ADs to load, then you proceed to the next procedure. Alright, so you can see that the mining has started. Because you use the referral ID, you'll be getting 10 BetaX. Alright, so I'm going to teach you how to earn more. For you to earn more, you have to click on this diamond here, then go to daily reward. When you go to daily reward, it will show up an ADs. So wait for the ADs to load and you continue. Alright, so it was 10, now it is 12. Then you close it, then you go to bonus. When you go to bonus, it says congratulations, reward added to your wallet. So you can see that it's now 13. So for you to refer other people, this is where you can get your referral ID. So when you go to invite, you'll be seeing that your referral ID will be here. Then you copy and share for other people to benefit from this project. Alright, so maybe you are using a certain name for your Gmail account. So where you can change this name is go to the profile logo here, then go to profile information. This project is mined every 24 hours. So every 24 hours you have to come back and mine it. Please don't joke with mining project. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, and also share for people to benefit from this project. Keep in mind that airdrops are 100% free. Don't pay any fee or any amount for any airdrop. Also, do your own research before joining any airdrop project. Lastly, keep in mind that not every airdrop project will succeed.